and welcome to another episode of Yadz Travel. We are going to have our Facebook Live, yes, for Jellie Marie bags and accessories. So I'll take you what happened behind the scene for our Facebook Live. So I hope you will enjoy. Enjoy! Currently having you love it. You're so lovely and love it. Loving it. Thank you so much, Miss Lovely, for loving our bags. Like I said, this is made of polyurethane leather, which is very perfect and durable. And of course, I've got to check if it's the weight. Yes. Oh my God, so nice. All right. And you can adjust it on the side depending on your desirable. Okay, this is the perfect go-to bag, guys. Jellie Marie bag, approved. Thumbs up talaga yan. So, like I said, we already placed many things inside, and there's still more room available. More room available for you to install. And this is perfect for students, also perfect for young professionals. If you like, just like on the go, and also perfect to all the hard-working alpha females there. This is the go-to bag for you. Once again, 4 colors to choose from. We have black, brown, maroon, and silver. Okay, so keep on commenting below. Let's go ahead and read back again the comment if they have liked our challenge that we have placed so many things inside. Let's go ahead. Thank you so much, Keith Borka, who also agreed on the durability of our Mylene backpack. Once again, please include in your comment our official hashtag fan with Jellie Marie and hashtag Mylene backpack. Yes, thank you so much once again to our viewers. We have Denise Nigel, hello. Sugar Castro, hello. Edgar Albert Acuna, yes, who super love the Jellie Marie bag. And he's hoping and praying that he will win because this is for his wife. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's just hope and pray that the machine will choose you. Just keep on commenting down below, and don't forget to use our hashtag fun with Jellie Marie and hashtag Mylene backpack. Yes. So, I just love Sir Edgar. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much. Sana oil na merong mga pagganyan. Thank you so much. Sending love to you, Sir Edgar. So let's go ahead and send more comments. Let's shout out to Mark Stefantero. Hi, hello. Yes. We also have once again, Miss Lovely. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Mark said he likes the black one. Yes. Go ahead, Mark Stefantero. Go ahead and log on now to lazada.com.ph because we're giving you away 40% discount. Just use this voucher code. It's JMXJargon. Okay? If you like the black one, go ahead and purchase now for 40% discount and available just today. So, yes. So let's go ahead and check. Already have the tried on our Jellie Marie backpack. So once again, this is sold for $5,199, but we have a 40% discount available today just for you. Just log on to lazada.com.ph and check in Jellie Marie bags. Okay, once again, we have 4 colors available. If it's the black one, the black is the classy one where you can black colors you can blend or you can um, where you can match any color. And there's the brown one, which is, I think it's it's also a good color. And then maroon and silver. Yes, yes, thank you so much. And of course, we also have what you call this? On Lazada, we also have endorsed. Thank you so much to our celebrity partners who have shown in some love and sending some love. Thank you so much. First, we have, thank you so much, Miss Melissa Ricks. She also have, you can use their official code, that's JMX Melissa. That's MELLISA, Melissa. Also, thank you so much to Miss Lovely Abelia. Hello, Miss Lovely from Hello Love Goodbye. Inday, hello Inday. You can also use her code with JMX Lovely. Thank you so much. Another celebrity who is also sending love for Jellie Marie. Also, thank you so much to Majo Lingas, or You Do Note Girl. That's her code is JMX. You do know, that's YOUDONOTE. And of course, another one, we have the Pretty Twins. Thank you so much for sending love for Jellie Marie. We have George and Jai Agpangan. You can use their promo code as JMX George Jai. That's JOJJAI. So once again, let me repeat the celebrity code so you can avail discount as well when you log into lazada.com.ph. First is Miss Melissa Ricks, that's JMX Melissa. For Lovely Abelia, that's JMX Lovely. For Majo Lingas, or Miss You Do Note Girl, that's JMX You Do Note. And for George and Jai, that's JMX George and Jai. Just like, and this celebrity code is up until November 2, so you can still avail discount. But the biggest discount of all is today we'll be offering the 40% discount for the Jellie Marie Mylene backpack, which is 40%. Just use my code JMXJohnJohn. Okay, so we also have, if you're not the lucky one to win this backpack, don't fret, because we still have an Instagram giveaway. Oh my God, thank you so much. Jellie Marie is very generous. So if you will not be the lucky one to win this today, don't fret, because on our Instagram we have a product giveaway. If you just follow this step. So first you have to like our Instagram page as Jellie Marie Bags. Second, you have to post a picture of you and 3 of your friends, and then put on description about your friendship, how your friendship has been tested through time. Yes, mga tag along your friends and tag them on your post, and then put in the comment down put in the comment fun with Jellie Marie. Again, let me go and read that. Repeat that once again. Like our Instagram page at Jellie Marie Bags, and then post a picture of you and 3 of your friends, so 4 na kayong lahat. And then on the description, just give a brief description about your friendship, about your love, your travels, and everything that is going through. And then don't forget to include the hashtag, which is hashtag Fun with Jellie Marie. Because until November 2, that's because we'll be choosing the best caption, the best friendships will win, of course, these backpacks. And that's because we're very generous. Not only you will want, but also your friends. So tag along your friends. So each one of you, 4 of you, will get to have one of these backpacks. Oh my God, thank you so much, Jellie Marie. Thanks for being so generous. But once again, follow us on Instagram and post with your best photo with your friends and win this backpack. And
with our Facebook Live, oh my gosh. It was fun. Thank you so much. Hello, Miss Jellie. Hey. And Sir Bruce. Woo. Grabe, thank you so much.
We're here.
Yes, this is our studio, guys. Daghang salamat for the love. Oh my gosh, parang nauhaw ako doon. Nauhaw ako doon. And thank you so much. Kisa. OMG, si Sir Gilbert pala. Thank you so much for the experience. It was fun. And it's very uhaw. And it's very, kasi tawagan na, adrenaline rush.
Hi!
Vlog.
We're here at Brew Studio.
Yes, our amazing studio.
And this is our talent. And I'm his manager.
Yes.
He's her.
It. Okay, thanks so much.